Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a binary trading website. So basically this is completely new binary trading website in market. And viewers, if you want us to build this website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this website for you. Or if you want to buy only script from us, you can buy the script only as well. So in this video I'm gonna completely create this website from scratch using the script. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and here you can confirm from the domain that I have hosted it on my subdomain and I am giving you the demo. So now after reviewing this, I'm gonna completely make this website on my hosting and I'll show you how you can make this website using this script. So be with us and watch this video till the end. And before moving towards the video, I request all of you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any kind of trading website or any other kind of hype investment, e-commerce or any kind of website, you can contact us and we will build what you want. So here I am on the login page of this website. So here you can enter your details and login. But if you don't have an account, so you can just create account by filling this simple detail. So here you can go to register and create your account by filling your details. Now here I'll enter my phone number here. So after entering phone number, here you have to enter your credentials. And when you click on login, it will log you into your user panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel of this website, and it has a very amazing user panel. You can just check its user panel, and this website is completely manageable and controllable from the admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website or to make this website. And if you buy from us, I'll provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. So first of all, you can see your total balance over here, historical PNL, you can see it here. You can see deposit, withdraw, vault options. Here you can see your support ticket option, user can generate support ticket, and here you can see token prices. So let me start from deposit. So here, if you want to deposit money on the website, so you can click on just deposit. Here you can just select any amount you want to deposit, or if you can type the amount as well. So you can type any amount of deposit that you want to do. Suppose I want to deposit $5,000. Here you can select the payment gateway. You can deposit using crypto, USDT, TRC20 or any other gateway, or you can use your bank details to deposit. User can deposit on your bank details. So here you can see that I am on now deposit page. Here you can see all your amount details, etc. Here you have to enter your transaction ID or your crypto address reference ID, whatever that is. And here you have to click on upload receipt and you can upload your screenshot. And when you can click on complete deposit, your deposit will be completed. So when admin will approve your deposit will be added to your account. So it's very simple and easier to deposit money on this website. Here you can see all your trade details and historical PNL. Here is a withdraw option, so user can withdraw his or her money from the website. Simply enter your bank details, select method, and you can take your withdraw simply. Here is support ticket option. So you can contact the admin of website using support tickets. You can go to their Telegram channel, you can contact them, you can go to their WhatsApp channel, etc. from here, from the ticket option. Here is vault option. So here you can claim bonuses, etc. Enter your codes and you can claim bonuses. And these are all the crypto prices. You can see it over here, and here you can just view the latest crypto prices from here. And this is a trade page, so you can see live trading and live trade crypto prices over here in this section. So here you can see this binary trade is live. You can see the binary trade pair over here. You can also change the pair from this section. You can use Ethereum USDT, SOL USDT, BNB USDT. You can change your pair from here. So suppose I want to place trade on BTC USDT. Here you have to enter the amount on which you want to place trade. Like I want to place trade of $100 for 30-second trade. You can place these trades. You can change trade time from here. Suppose I'll place trade on rise. So here you can see our trade has been placed, and you can see $100 and pending, and you can see time over here. And here you can see the time and trade in this section. So now let's see whether we will win or whether we will lose. So time is going to finish, and after this time we can see our result of the trade. And you can control win loss of trades from admin panel as well, so it will be under completely your hand. So now time has completed, and let's see whether we won or we lose the trade. So we lost the trade, so we lost $100 trade. And you can set all bonus etc everything from admin panel, and it will completely under your hand. Here you can see history, historical data. Here you can see SYNC, and this was all about the trading. Here you can see all your trade logs. Here is a team section, so you can invite people to earn money. Here is your invite link. You can copy it and you can invite people using this link, and you can also earn money through referrals. You can see your refer code here. All the people you invite in direct team bonus etc, all those things will be appeared here. Team commission will all be appeared here, so it will be very easier for you to track your team data. Here are the assets, so you can see all your assets, deposit, withdraw, bank details. Here you can see your deposit details, total withdrawals, security options. You can see change your transaction passwords. You can set your transaction password from here. You can avail online services and contact to the admin. Here you can see all your ordered services, and you can download the app of this website. So if you buy from us, we will make the app of this website for you as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. And viewers, to purchase this website or script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video. So viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now I will go to admin panel and I will completely show you the admin panel of this website. So viewers, now I am on the admin login page of our binary trading website. So here I'll enter my admin credentials. So with admin credentials, admin can log into the website and completely control and manage this website from the admin panel. So let me enter the details again. So after entering these details, you have to click initialize session, and here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. And viewers, this is completely secure website, and if you buy from us, you will get the complete secured website, completely protected from hacking. And here I will provide you complete support with it as well. Here you can see all the users on your website. You can see total purchases, check-ins approved, pending withdraw, deposit approved. You can see all user registration, check-ins, deposits, everything. You can view it over here, and you can completely see notifications of everything over here. Here you can create bonus codes, so you can users can just check in with those bonus codes to get bonuses. Here is a slider option, so you can change sliders from here. You can delete the existing sliders and you can add new on your own slider on website, so it is completely manageable from here. Here you can insert your own app, so you can insert app from here directly, but you don't need to do that. I will do that for you. So it's a very simple to insert icons for your app. Here is a manage plan section, so you can just leave it out because we are using binary trading website. It is rebate commission, invest record. So here is a payment section. So here when user will request a deposit, the deposit request will come here, and you have to approve deposit or reject deposit from here. So let me show you the approved deposits. So I have approved one deposit, so here you can see the history approved deposits. Similarly, this website is completely user friendly website, so a responsive website, so you can use it on both mobile phone and laptops. Here you can see all rejected deposits in this section. Here same is the case for withdrawal. You can see all pending withdrawals, approved withdrawal, rejected withdrawals over here in this section. Here you can manage the payment methods, so you can see I have made 3 payment methods. Now if you want to add another payment method, click on add new, enter the name of payment gateway, receiver's name, your address, minimum maximum deposit amount, transaction ID field. It's already here, so you have to enter your deposit details and user can deposit using those details. Otherwise you can edit the gateway, and you can just fill these details over here. So it's very simple and easier to make the payment method on this website. And you can see everything is like manageable simply. You don't need any coding knowledge, you don't need any other technical knowledge. You just have to buy this website and use this website and run in market. So it's very simple and easier. In settings, you can upload the logo of website. You can change the logo from here. So you can see this logo, and you can just simply browse your logo and change it. Even you can manage this website from your mobile phone. So it's that simple kind of website. Here's site name. You can change site name. You can set withdraw charges, minimum, maximum withdraw. You can turn off withdraw, set your registration bonus. You can enter your details for the payment gateways. And now here you can change admin links detail. Over here you can set all details from here. So very simple and easier to manage website. So here is binary trade settings. So here you can see all live trades on your website. Every live trade will be appeared over here. Here you can see all trade history and win loss of those trades. Here you can do trade settings. So trades are completely manageable from here. Here you can set the profit percentage, win loss chance from here. Here you can set minimum, maximum trade. You can enable, disable different type of like time for your trades, and pairs as well. You can manage them from here. And here you can just completely manage all these trades from here. It's very simple and easier to manage the trade settings. So this was all about the website user panel and admin panel. And now I will go to my hosting and I will completely create this website from scratch. So you can see how you can create this website. This creation purpose, I'm just showing you for the information or for learning purpose. So if you want, you can make it yourself as well. So now let's go and let's make this website from scratch. But before going towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy this script or complete website from us, you can contact us and we will build this amazing binary trading website for you. Now let's go and let's make this website. So viewers, now you can see that I'm on my hosting dashboard over here. And Hostinger, you can install this script on cPanel or any kind of hosting you want, but I am using the Hostinger, so I will install the script on my Hostinger hosting. So here you can see my domain over here, scriptsmasher.com. Here you have to go to file manager option first. So I'll go to my file manager option over here. So go to public HTML. So you have to do all the work in public HTML, but I will do in my subdomain. I will install the script in my subdomain. So I will do all the work in my subdomain, demo3.scriptsmasher.com. So here you have to upload the script file from here that you buy from us, and it will be appeared same like this. So here what you have to do is you have to extract the file from here. So after extracting, it will be appeared. It will be extracted. So you have to wait. So now the file has extracted successfully. So it will be appeared like this. So now what you have to do is you can see this database.sql file. You have to download this file from here. After downloading this file, first of all, the first work is to make our database. So here I'll go to database section, go to management, and here I have to create database. You can use any name to create the database. Currently, I'm using just this random name. Here you have to enter your password. So after entering these details, you have to click on create and you can create database from here. So now what you have to do is you have to copy this database name simply and go to your file section over here. And here you can see there is a .env file. So you have to open your .env file. Here you can see your DB database. So you have to simply just paste your own new details over here. So after entering your details, so one more thing. So you have to paste your app URL as well. So after entering these details, now we are done, and now you can open your domain. But one thing is remaining here, so it will show you the error over here. So one last thing that is remaining is our database file. So here you have to click on enter php my admin, and now here we have to upload our database file, so we can like easily and simply use the site. So click on import. So SQL file is like important for the storage of data and all other things like user logins, all of those things. SQL file is must. So that's why we have to need to upload this. Click on import and our SQL file has uploaded. So now when I open the login, so here you can see that our website is ready and now we can simply use this website. And this was a very simple process to make this website, viewers. So in this video, I completely guided you about how you can make this website. And now our website is ready. If you want, you can click on register. Currently, I'm entering the random details to login. Click on create account and our account has created. So let me show you properly. So our account has created and now our website is ready. You can simply use this website in an amazing way. So you can see how easy it was to make this website simply. And in this video, I guided you about each and everything related to this website. And it is for basically mobile view site. So mobile users can easily use this. And if you want to purchase this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this website for you. Thanks for watching our video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.